Hello, students. I am going to discuss about rational numbers. This is your first chapter, and I think you have learnt about natural number, whole number, and integers. Now we will talk about a rational number. What is a rational number? A number in the form of P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers, is called a rational number. Means denominator should not be 0. If the denominator is 0, suppose a number is given 1 upon 0, then its value is called not defined or infinite. As for example, 2 upon 3, minus 5 by 7, 0 by 4, minus 3 by minus 8, and so on. Now we will talk about the standard form of rational number. If P and Q, here P upon Q is a rational number. If P and Q have no common factor other than 1, and Q should be positive, means denominator should be positive, then this type of number is called a rational number in the standard form. As 2 upon 3, minus 4 by 5, 7 by 8, and 0 by 5. But this is not complete definition of rational number. But we will read in the next class, and here I will talk about comparison of rational numbers. Comparison of rational numbers means, suppose you have two given 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3, and you have to find which number is greater, 1 upon 4 or 2 upon 3. Then at first we will take example of denominators, means 4 and 3. We will be get 12, and we will get by simplifying. Here will be 3 and here will be 8. Means it should be written 3 upon 12 and 8 upon 12. Both denominator is equal, and here numerator is less. Here is 3 and here is 8. So numerator 3 is less than 8. Therefore, which implies that 3 upon 12 is less than 8 upon 12. Or 1 upon 4 is less than 2 upon 3. If you talk about negative numbers, negative rational numbers, suppose here is given 4 upon 7 and 5 upon 12. Then similarly we will take LCM of the denominators. It will be 84, and 12 for the minus 48 and 30 minus 30. So it may be written as minus 48 upon 35 and 84 and minus 35 upon 84. Clearly, if this number is positive, then 48 is greater than 35. But in the negative numbers, 35 is greater than 48. So minus 48 upon 84 is less than minus 35 upon 84. Means minus 4 upon 7 is less than minus 5 by 12. We will solve next example. Given number you have to put in ascending order. Here is 4 upon minus 9, minus 5 by 12, 7 upon minus 18 and minus 2 by 3. At first we will take LCM of the denominator. Then LCM of 9, 12, minus 18 and 3 will be, or we will write all the numbers in the standard form. It will be minus 4 upon 9, minus 5 by 12, minus 7 upon 18 and minus 2 upon 3. Because our denominator should not be negative. So we will write at first in the standard form, then we will find the LCM of the denominator. And LCM of 9, 12, 18 and 3 will be 36. 36. Then it will be minus 16. It will be minus 15. It will be minus 14. And it will be minus 20. Now observe which number is greater? Minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 20. Minus 14 is greater than minus 15. Means minus 14 is greatest among all the given numbers. Means it should be written minus 14 upon 36. Sorry. Minus 24 upon 36, minus 16 upon 36, minus 15 upon 36, minus 14 upon 36, or minus 4 upon 9, now this is the value of minus 24 upon 36 is the value of minus 2 upon 3. Then we will write minus 2 upon 3. And 16 is the value of minus 4 upon 9. Then it will be minus 4 upon 9. And 15 is the value of minus 15 upon 12. 5 upon 12. It will be minus 5 upon 12. And 14 is the value of minus 7 upon 18. Now, these numbers are written in the ascending order. This is the method to write the numbers in ascending and descending order. And you may solve your exercise number 1A.